folks, Aaron here from Bean Sprout. I have number 1027 ready to show you. And this is just like a solid, simple example of my work, you know. I'm really proud of it. The main wood on it is walnut, just some nice straight grain walnut. This is from our friend Kath's shop on Vashon Island. I got this walnut. Lots of bug holes in the walnut, which I really like, so let's see if I can find one to show you. Oh, like right here, you know, just like a little beetle hole that then I fill with dust and glue. I really like that look. And then the other wood on it is Pistachio. Comes from California orchards. And I placed the graft from the trunk right here on the scoop, which I think looks cool. And then, you know, Renaissance head, brass tone ring, steel strings, 11-inch rim. Just simple. And the walnut, it's like a little darker and richer than maple, but it's got a good loud sound still. Like, I think you could play this banjo by yourself or in a string band easily. Man, I feel clumsy on the banjo this week. Anyway, 1027, ready to go.